What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be working on the Pilot yet again with Alif and Hafiz, and we are going to be working on some engine maintenance as well as a few minor inconveniences with the car. What I mean by that is, for starters, the driver mirror doesn't work with the button controls that moves it up, down, left, and right, because the mirror itself is broken and detached from the mechanism that moves it up, down, left, and right. So without further ado, I'm going to be handing off the video to previous me and we'll get started. All right, so as you guys can see, I have the 6 spark plugs right here, the engine air filter, and the coil packs. So I got NGK for the coil packs and the spark plugs, and then K&N for the engine air filter, and also the cabin air filter, which is currently in the car and I'm just too lazy to get it. But yeah, I'm gonna go start on removing everything in the engine bay so that I can install this with Alif and Hafiz. So yeah, I'll just put you guys in time lapse and show you what we do. So as you guys saw, we're currently removing the old spark plugs. We've got 4 out, and Hafiz is installing the 4th one. I got my coil packs on the floor. Then after that, we're going to be putting on the engine air filter and then the cabin air filter. So it wasn't hard, it's just mostly tedious because of like the angle you have to do these in. Especially the front 3 where there's a lot of like clearance issues, but the back 3, you just can't see it. You have to do it blind. But there's more space, so it's like there's something on both sides, but we're almost done. So as you guys can see, the new spark plugs are in there, and I got the new NGK coil packs. Hafiz is putting in the last one. I just finished torquing down the spark plug. So he's gonna tighten down the coil pack and then put in the bolt to secure it in place. And now Alif and I are gonna get started on removing this air box so we can replace the replacing the engine air filter. So we're gonna be removing the air box and then we're gonna be putting this on it. Alright, as you guys can see, I have the new spark plugs and NGK coils all in. We also put in the last 3 back there. Hafiz is just tightening the bolt that secures the coil pack in place. Torqued everything down on all 6 spark plugs. Coil packs are all tight after he does that last one. Alif and I are going to get started on removing the air box so we can install the K&N engine air filter. And then while he loosens the air box, Hafiz and I are going to be putting on the engine cover. So I'm gonna put you guys back on time lapse, but we've got good progress so far. Okay, so we got the old airbox out. Here's the new intake, and we have the old one right over there. We're just gonna install this. and then try to put on the cabin air filter, and then I'm gonna.
Stickers.
You got stickers now.
We
Put
got
it-
extra 50 horsepower right here.
Put it on the airbox.
Yeah.
So I will get to it. So with these next set of time lapses, you guys are gonna see me replace the driver and passenger side mirror, because at the time I decided to buy both of them since the passenger side mirror paint wasn't the best, so I decided why not. I got a deal on it anyways. You're also gonna see me replace the pilot radiator. There's gonna be a collage clipped together of me taking the old radiator out, as well as the car working with the new radiator in. And I didn't get that on recording because at the time I needed to take the car on a trip, so I was kind of just doing it as fast as I could, and I ran into some inconveniences that I finally figured out. So yeah. Guys, so as you can see, the car's running. I have the engine cover back on, and the airbox is fully installed with the new K&N sticker, which adds 50 horsepower. So here's a message from Alif.
I'd like to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Prime Hydration. Shout out K-Side Logan Paul. Thank you so much for sending us Metamoon. It's a great flavor. It tastes like Skittles. Try it out right now. Thank you so much for watching.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching today's video. It's sort of all over the place because a lot of the original recordings that I had, including the intro and outro, I can't find. So I guess this is what I get for editing a video almost a year after it happened. But stay tuned, I have a lot planned and a lot more videos coming out weekly. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.